Today I will introduce a topic, matrices. Now first of all I would like to define what is matrix. Now the definition of matrix is a rectangular arrangement of mn numbers, any numbers. That is a rectangular arrangement of mn numbers in the form of m horizontal lines, which is called rows, and n vertical lines, which are called columns, is called a matrix of order m cross n. Okay. Now generally matrices are denoted by capital letters. Alright, it is generally denoted by a capital letters. Now, what is matrix? Matrix is nothing but a presentation, just like a set. Matrices is nothing but a presentation. What kind of presentation? This is an arrangement of rectangular arrangement. What kind of arrangement? A rectangular arrangement of mn numbers in the form of m horizontal lines. These horizontal lines are called rows and the n vertical lines are called column, is called a matrix of order m by n. Okay, so the order of matrix A of order m cross n. M denote rows, that is a horizontal lines. Alright. Now n, the second number, n is called columns. That's a vertical lines. Vertical lines are called columns and horizontal lines are called rows. Okay, this is a matrix of order m by n. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now generally matrices are denoted, also represented by a square bracket or a smaller bracket. Alright, in the parenthesis. Now let us suppose this is the matrix of order 2. This is. Now look here. These are first horizontal line. This is the first horizontal line. This is the second horizontal line. So how many horizontal lines are there? There are 2 horizontal lines. So the number of rows are 2 here. Now this is the first vertical line, second vertical line and third vertical line. So order of matrix A is 2 cross 3 to represent the horizontal rows. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, 2 rows and 3 columns. This is the presentation of matrices. Now matrices is a plural form of matrix. Matrices is nothing but the plural form of matrix. Okay. So the next point, the elements of matrix is generally denoted by small letters. For example, this is a matrix A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let us suppose I, J, K, L. So there are first horizontal line, second horizontal line, third horizontal line. So the number of rows are 3 cross 1 vertical, second vertical line, third vertical line and fourth vertical line. So the column of this matrix is 4. So the order of matrix A is a 3 cross 4, or it is read as 3 by 4. Alright, any confusion? Now look here. The general element of matrix is denoted by Aij, that is the element of ith row and jth column. Aij is what? Element of ith row and jth column. Okay, so matrix is generally denoted by matrix A. Let us suppose A is a matrix of order m cross n. So it is generally denoted as Aij, which represent the general element of matrix A of order m cross n. Okay, so this is the element of ith row and jth column. Okay, now again the general description of matrix A. So let us suppose let A be a matrix of order m cross n, where m and n both are natural numbers. Okay, so A means there are m rows and n columns. Okay, this matrix contains m rows and n columns. So this is A11. A11 means the element of first row and first column. So this is A12, that is the element of first row and second column. A13 and so on. A1n, A21, A22, A23 and so on. A2n. Similarly, AM1, that is the element of mth row and first column. AM2 and so on. This is AM3 and so on. AMN. And generally here we write the order of the matrix m cross n. Okay. So this is the general description of matrix. Alright. Now take questions on it. Now construct a matrix. Now take a simple example on it. Construct a matrix of order 2 cross 3 whose general element is Aij is equal to 2i plus j. Okay. Now we have to construct a matrix of order 2 cross 3. Now take solution. Let A, this is a matrix of order 2 cross 3. That means matrix A contains 2 horizontal line and 3 vertical line. So this is A11, A12, A13. This is the element of first row. A21, A22, A23 of order 2 cross 3. Now what is the value of here? Aij is 2i plus j. So A11 means the value of I is equal to 1 here and the value of j is also 1. Okay. Now put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1 here. You will get the value of A11. So this is 2 into 1 plus 1, which is 2 plus 1, 3. This is the value of A11. A12, I is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 plus 2, which is 4. A13, this is 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. Alright. Now A21, the value of I is equal to 2 and the value of j is 1. So you will get the value of A21, which is 2 into 2 plus 1, which is 5. A22 means 2 into 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, that is 6. A23, that is 2 into 2 plus 3, which is 4 plus 3, 7. So now substitute all these value in here. So the required matrix A is equal to, now substitute the value of A11 is 3, the value of A1 to 4, 5, which is 5, 6 and 7 of order 2 cross 3. Okay, so this is the method of constructing the matrix of any order whose general element is given. Okay.